institutions is deeply committed to deliver the highest standards of education for its students. And today, we are witnessing this commitment in action with an initiative that has brought history to the corridors of our school. Imagine a museum so unique that it travels and comes all the way to your school, bringing history, art and culture right to your doorstep. We, the students of Cambridge School, Kandivali, have an incredible opportunity to witness the Museum on Wheels. Here are some glimpses.
Please tell us more about the concept of a museum on wheels.
Okay, so the Museum on Wheels is an initiative by the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Vastu Sangrahalaya. This is an outreach program, and under the Museum on Wheels, what we essentially do is we take the museum to different parts of our country. So the whole idea is that if you cannot come to the museum will come to you. And for that, what we've done, we've taken a big bus, and inside that bus we curate different exhibitions. Now these exhibitions are on different topics, or they are on different parts of the syllabus and the curriculum, so that students get a hands-on experience, or they get a practical idea about what that subject is. And the project is over 10 years now, and apart from Maharashtra, we have also visited different neighboring states. So yes, we propagate the idea of the museum, we talk to students, we conduct different sessions, and we introduce everybody to the concept of a museum. So we go to different educational institutes. We also have open visits in housing complexes or in different NGOs. So we have like a very vast scope of the project, and every time we are trying to inculcate newer topics, newer exhibitions, and pick in topics that will help students in understanding the subject better.
Discovery of Sindhu Saraswati civilization recently completed 100 years of its discovery. So the exhibition is based on it because when the discovery was done, it was more of a foreign based perspective. But within these hundreds years, the perspective has been changed towards the indigenous, more towards indigenous views. So this current exhibition shows the map where the sites are located of the Harappan civilization. Then their overall lifestyle, like how the import and export system was there, the surplus trades, the sales of these sales from these sites, then the bricks. Harappan civilization was morely known for their well-planning cities. So we also have a small model of a Harappan town called Dholavira. Then the toys from this civilization, and also we have this tactile session where we allow the children to touch these objects and experience that how the original objects might have been. This bus carries all the replicas of the original objects.
It was a great experience. The music was very awesome. Actually, he learned a lot. It was very different and unique.
I am really happy कि जब हम स्टूडेंट थे हमको ये सब नहीं मिला, जो मेरी इतनी छोटी सी बच्ची को ये उम्र में देखने के लिए मिल रहा है, जो अपने हिस्ट्री के साथ डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट हो पा रहे हैं. तो आई एम एज ए पेरेंट्स, आई एम वेरी फील प्राउड ऑफ के वी आर कैम्ब्रिज स्कूल पेरेंट्स.
Quite amazing. I just saw this is the first time and I just like it, and this is for just my baby is very small, and she have to know that our civilization was like that only. So I just loved it. This idea is very nice. I just love it.
आके मुझे बहुत मजा लगा, अच्छा भी लगा, देखने का दृश्य अच्छा था.
It's very nice and it's knowledgeable for kids.
It was an amazing experience. स्टूडेंट को पहले से ही वो संस्कृति के बारे में वगैरह बता रहे हैं, तो ये बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट है. यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस इन माय चाइल्ड एंड वेरी नाइस एक्सपीरियंस. एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा था मेरे लिए, बच्चों के लिए भी. उन्हें न्यू थिंग्स देखने को मिली. जो भी एंसेंट हमारे हिस्टोरिकल जो भी चीज़ें थी कि आर्ट कैसा था, पॉट्स क्या यूज़ करते थे, वो कैसे इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ करते थे हंटिंग के लिए, वो सारे एक्सपीरियंस बच्चे देखे और उन्हें समझ में आया. वो कनेक्ट हो पाए हिस्ट्री से और अपने सोशल लाइफ में वो कैसे वो चीज़ों को और एक्सप्लोर कर सकते, देख सकते हैं, उनके आगे फ्यूचर में वो कैसे वर्क कर सकते हैं. और काफ़ी अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था. स्कूल ने बहुत अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज किया ये बच्चों के डेवलपमेंट के लिए.
The Museum on Wheels is more than just an exhibition. It is an educational journey that connects students with India's rich history, art, and traditions. The idea is simple but radical. Just take the museum out of its building and bring it directly to countless young learners. From Cambridge School, Kandivali is proud to offer its students with this exceptional experience, blending history with education. On that note, this is YJ Anshika
And this is YJ Vedika signing off for Young Journals on Ryan TV.